Analysis of The Tempest. Title: The Tempest. Author: William Shakespeare. Genre: romance, tragicomedy. Written 1610 to 1611. Setting: a remote island. Introduction. The Tempest is one of Shakespeare's final plays and is considered a masterpiece of magic, power, forgiveness, and colonialism. It blends elements of tragedy, comedy, and romance, making it unique among Shakespeare's works. The play follows Prospero, the rightful Duke of Milan, who, after being betrayed and stranded on an island, uses magic to seek justice and reconciliation. Plot summary. Act 1. The Storm and the Island. A storm tempest shipwrecks King Alonso of Naples, his son Ferdinand, his brother Sebastian, and Antonio Prospero's usurping brother, on an island. The storm was caused by Prospero, who, with his magic, has orchestrated the event to take revenge on those who wronged him. We learn that Prospero and his daughter, Miranda, have been stranded on the island for 12 years. He has used magic to enslave the spirit Ariel and the deformed Caliban, the island's native inhabitant. Ferdinand and Miranda fall in love at first sight, fulfilling Prospero's secret plan. Act 2. Plots and conspiracies. Ariel, at Prospero's command, uses music and magic to lead Ferdinand away. Antonio and Sebastian plot to kill King Alonso to take his throne, but Ariel stops them. Meanwhile, Caliban meets Stefano and Trinculo, two shipwrecked clowns, and convinces them to help him kill Prospero and seize the island. Act 3. Love and manipulation. Prospero secretly tests Ferdinand by making him perform hard labor. Seeing Ferdinand's love for Miranda, he approves of their union. Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo plan their rebellion but get distracted by Ariel's tricks. Act 4. Prospero's grand plan. Prospero arranges a magical mask, a theatrical performance by spirits, to celebrate Miranda and Ferdinand's engagement. Prospero, realizing time is running out, stops the celebration and prepares for his final act of justice. Ariel tricks Caliban and his allies into a trap, exposing their foolishness. Act 5. Forgiveness and freedom. Prospero confronts his enemies but chooses forgiveness over revenge. He restores Alonso's son Ferdinand, whom Alonso thought was dead, leading to a joyful reunion. He frees Ariel and renounces his magic, symbolizing the end of his control. Caliban repents, and the others are pardoned. Prospero reclaims his dukedom, and the play ends with a peaceful resolution. Character analysis. Prospero, the magician and philosopher king, the central character, a symbol of wisdom, control, and redemption. He starts as vengeful, using magic for revenge, but evolves into a figure of forgiveness and enlightenment. His magic represents knowledge and power, which he ultimately gives up. Miranda, the innocent romantic, Prospero's daughter, raised in isolation but pure-hearted and kind. Her love for Ferdinand represents hope, renewal, and reconciliation. Unlike other Shakespearean heroines, she is passive, symbolizing purity rather than agency. Ariel, the loyal spirit of air and freedom, a magical spirit who serves Prospero but longs for freedom, represents justice and moral order, guiding Prospero toward mercy. His release at the end symbolizes liberation from power and control. Caliban, the colonized native, the original inhabitant of the island, enslaved by Prospero, represents oppression, resentment, and rebellion, but also ignorance. His character is often interpreted as a symbol of colonialism and racism, reflecting European treatment of indigenous peoples. Ferdinand, the noble prince, the ideal romantic hero, honorable, brave, and respectful. His love for Miranda symbolizes harmony and unity between conflicting sides. Antonio and Sebastian, the treacherous nobles, both symbolize corruption and ambition, showing how power breeds treachery. Unlike Prospero, they never repent, highlighting their moral failure. Themes and symbolism. 1. Power and control. Prospero manipulates everyone, from Ariel and Caliban to Miranda and Ferdinand. The play questions whether power should be used for dominance or justice. 2. Forgiveness vs. revenge. Unlike classic tragedies, Prospero chooses mercy over vengeance. The play suggests that true power lies in forgiveness, not destruction. 3. Magic as knowledge and authority. Prospero's magic represents intellectual superiority and European civilization. His renunciation of magic symbolizes accepting human limitations. 4. Colonialism and race. Caliban represents the oppressed indigenous population. His mistreatment reflects European colonial attitudes toward natives.
5. The illusion of reality. The play questions what is real and what is illusion. Much like theatre itself, Prospero's line, "We are such stuff as dreams are made on," suggests that life is fleeting and insubstantial. Prospero's epilogue. Shakespeare's farewell to theatre. Prospero's final speech, asking for the audience's applause and pardon, is often seen as Shakespeare's goodbye to playwriting. Like Prospero, Shakespeare abandons his magic theatre and retires. Significance and legacy. The Tempest is one of Shakespeare's most philosophical and symbolic plays. It influenced later works on colonialism, magic, and redemption. It remains relevant in post-colonial studies, theatre, and literature.
Conclusion. The Tempest is a complex exploration of power, magic, justice, and human nature. Unlike Shakespeare's tragedies, it ends with forgiveness and renewal, making it a profound reflection on wisdom and mortality. It stands as a timeless meditation on leadership, freedom, and transformation.